Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily blur specific parts of photo on your iPhone to hide faces or sensitive information. Since the Photos app on iPhone does not provide an option to blur parts of a photo, you should first head to the App Store and download the Canva app on your iPhone or iPad. Once downloaded, open the app and tap the plus icon at the bottom. Now, under Create New, select this Upload option. Then, find the photo that you want to edit and select it. After selecting the photo, tap this Edit Image button at the bottom. Once the image opens in Canva, select the Effects option at the bottom right corner. Now, select the Blur option. Use the sliders to increase brush size or intensity of blur. Then, zoom in on your image at the top and use your finger to blur the part of image. Once you are satisfied, close the Blur tool. Then, tap Save in the top right corner and choose Download. The image will be saved on your iPhone or iPad Photos app and you can then share it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.